What do you think of this camping trip to Bremer Bay with me, Kerry? Cole?
This is exactly what I envisioned myself doing, to be completely honest with you. While you do have the creature comforts of a caravan park when you book into there, it's just not the same experience. Getting out in the wild is what I've been wanting to do. You know, we can still go to a caravan park if we wish, but total self-contained, sustained camping.
Yeah.
This is my idea. Yeah.
And what was one of the highlights of this camping trip?
Oh, I think it's just experiencing what this place has to offer and having you show it to us and experience it, I guess, with the group of people that we've been with. Kids having an absolute ball, sand dunes, all sorts of things. Just, I think, yeah, everyone's just really had a great time, relaxing. And
For me personally, just getting up around the campfire, cooking on the campfire.
Because we found out that Kerry was really good with his cooking and his pots there, eh?
Yeah. And catching a salmon on my whiting gear was pretty fun off the beach.
Yeah, that was fantastic. On 10-pound line.
Yeah.
That was great. And Nick, what about you, mate? What was one of the highlights for you?
One of the highlights was climbing up the big sand dunes and then just watching the sunset.
Yeah. Chelsea?
Watching the sunset, and also when we were climbing the rocks.
Yeah.
about swimming at the
What about the lagoon?
lagoon, swimming at the lagoon,
Yeah, that was pretty
sculpting.
special.
You're dolphin sculpting.
And I enjoy watching you too.
Hopefully the dolphin's still alive.
So would you recommend Red Track Eco Adventure Tours to your friends?
Yeah,
Without a doubt.
yeah,
Absolutely.
definitely.
It's been a
As
great
long as we
experience.
can, as long as we
Look.
can go as well. Yeah,
Um,
definitely. We've already mentioned it to family members
Yeah,
for a potential trip in a few months' time. So
yeah.
fingers crossed
Yeah.
that'll happen.
Well, we might see you on the Karen Journey tour. You never know.
Fingers
Yeah.
crossed. Yeah.
That's the plan.